So that's why, my lord, I
आप
wanted.
सोचिए ना, पेरेंट्स को आपके विरुद्ध फाइल करना पड़ रहा है।
My
अरे माँ बाप को भाई आप लोग क्या
नहीं,
2000
इसीलिए
रुपया,
हुजूर, इसीलिए
माँ और बाप दोनों आपके जा करके कोर्ट में खड़े होकर गवाही दे रहे हैं, और आप 2000 रुपया देने में बुढ़ापे में, पिता की उम्र 75 वर्ष और माँ की उम्र 65 से 70 वर्ष, और आप जो है वृद्धा पेंशन इनको मिलता है 200 रुपया। इतना तो आपकी जिम्मेवारी है कहीं से मजदूरी करके भी खिलाने की।
I pray that want fresh instruction whether he has to pursue the matter or not.
Please don't ask for adjournment.
Okay.
Please don't ask for adjournment. That too for this petty amount of rupees 2000.
Actually, my lord, this is for the parents. Parents have filed this case.
Parents have filed, then all the more.
Because they are, so that's why, my lord, I wanted.
आप सोचिए ना, पेरेंट्स को आपके विरुद्ध फाइल करना पड़ रहा है।
ऐसा है हुजूर कि हम,
What kind of son you are?
my lord, they are under control of my younger brother who has also
Maybe
played a party in
that
this.
they are under control. What is their independent source of income?
So
What is their independent source of income? Nothing. And what is your income?
my lord, they say that because both the sons were made the party.
Yes.
My lord, I had made all the expenses with regard to sister's marriage, and my.
अरे माँ बाप को भाई आप लोग क्या
नहीं,
2000
इसीलिए
रुपया,
हुजूर, इसीलिए हमारा फर्स्ट
कुछ
सबमिशन
नहीं
था
है इसमें,
कि परस्यू करना
कोई
चाहते हैं
नहीं,
या नहीं
पेंडिंग नहीं
चाहते।
रखेंगे। I will not keep it pending. माँ और बाप दोनों आपके जा करके कोर्ट में खड़े होकर गवाही दे रहे हैं, और आप 2000 रुपया देने में बुढ़ापे में, पिता की उम्र 75 वर्ष और माँ की उम्र 65 से 70 वर्ष, और आप जो है वृद्धा पेंशन इनको मिलता है 200 रुपया। इतना तो आपकी जिम्मेवारी है कहीं से मजदूरी करके भी खिलाने की। लिखिए, हर्ड लैंड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर, स्टेट भी है, मिस्टर फहीमुद्दीन लर्नेड एपीपी फॉर द स्टेट। Petitioner in this case is aggrieved by and dissatisfied with the judgment and order dated so and so para 1. Next, this court has learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the applicants in the learned court below, in the learned family court, are the parents of this petitioner who have been awarded a sum of rupees 2000 each towards maintenance. Full stop. Next, this court has perused the impugned judgment. Full stop. The learned family court has discussed the entire materials which are available on the record by way of evidence. Full stop. In this court, no plausible ground has been raised in course of argument so as to.
It was submission before the court below itself that I want to keep my parents.
So as to.
It was stand of this petition.
Contest the impugned judgment. Full stop. It has been rightly pointed out by learned counsel for the petitioner that in fact the stand of the petitioner in the court below was that keep his parents and maintain them. Next, in the aforesaid view of the matter, this court finds no reason to interfere with the impugned judgment. Full stop. This application has no merit. It is dismissed.